Okay, let's start with the setup. (2160 by 2160), 2.299, 299 the frame range and the playback range, 30 the frame rate. Now let's add a background. Background shape. On the scene tab, let's add a palette, color palette. Choose the midnight blue for the background and add a line. On the line, we change the length to 60. On the stroke, we increase 1/8 to the width and change the color of the stroke to white. Let's add the duplicator. On the duplicator, we'll have a count of 17 by 17. The size 1600 by 1600. On the shape rotation, right click and add a noise. Click the noise tab. Minimum -180, maximum 180. Frequency 0, 1. Click on the looping and change the loop length to 299. Time scale of 4. Noise scale 0.5 and uncheck use index context. Let's see the result. See you next time.